Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to go premium on the Dogo application, thereby unlocking premium features on the application so that you can read useful articles about good manners, training. You can do training exercises with your dog and also bonding exercises. But first, I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers, I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should tap on the settings icon down below, which is the last option. Now if you scroll down, you should go to the purchases section, and here tap on the get premium features button, which is the second option. As you can see, you can choose from three packs or premium plans, such as the basic one, the premium one, and the deluxe one. So if you are interested in any of these, you can also see the feedbacks of other users who have already purchased this premium, and you can press the button continue for free if you want to purchase this pack. You can also try a free period of that pack, so you will be able to get premium features and additional extras on this application. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing to my channel, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.